What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be looking at a trade I took on GBPJPY on May 8th. So as you can see right here, we have a pretty clear indication that we are in a steady downtrend, but then we reach this 4-hour support and resistance area. So we're just patient and we wait to see how price reacts to this area, and we can see that we get a double bottom, right? We also get a neckline retest right here. So this is where I enter my trade, and then you can see how price comes back to retest this neckline area and then shoots up. It was a very simple trade. Not a lot went into this one. Just downtrend, right? We're in a downtrend, and then we know that eventually we're going to have to come back into a retracement because you can see how long and steady price was moving down. We also hit a 4-hour support and resistance area, telling us that there is a possibility that price could reverse. So when price touches down into this area, we just patiently wait to see what happens. We see that it makes this double bottom. We get in at the neckline retest right here, and you can see how price reacts. Boom. So we exit the trade right here because this is where this double bottom formation started. Like I always say, once price hits this area, after that it's fair game. You know, usually more often than not, I want to say 9 times out of 10, if you see a formation like this, like a double bottom, double top, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, whatever the case may be, look for where this formation started and then just watch to see what happens after price hits that area. Because once price completes this formation, you can see how it consolidates for the next 3 to 4 days before making another move. So that is why we like to get out of those trades once the formation has completed itself. But it was a very simple trade. If we look back and measure, we caught roughly 86 pips, give or take, maybe 85 on this trade, depending on how the spread was. But if you guys have any questions or don't understand anything that I talked about in this video, please just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Also, if you'd like to see me take all of the trades that I do throughout the week live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, check out my stories, and from there you guys can see the trades that I'm entering currently throughout the week, and you can watch the progress and see which ones get stopped out and which ones are winners. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.